Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello and welcome. My name is Hannah and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my channel. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing another requested makeup look. Today I'm going to be doing a fall leaves inspired makeup tutorial. Now I had two different people that requested this look and I am really excited, so let's go ahead and get right on into this look. Starting out, I'm going into my Colourpop Yes Please palette. Now, mine is very dirty because I use this palette all of the freaking time. I'm going to be taking the shade of Mischief, which is just that really pretty yellow shade, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner half of my lid and into my crease area. Now, I'm going to be using a different method today for applying the shadow to my eyes. So I'm going to be going onto my lid and applying it into my crease, and I'm going to be using this brush throughout the entire process. This brush has a nice flat side to it, but it's also thick and fluffy, which makes applying shadow to the crease a lot easier. So that is just what I'm going to be doing. Now going into my Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Horizon, which is just that really pretty orange shade, and I'm going to be applying that next to the yellow. Taking the Profusion Spectrum palette, I'm going into that shade Ember and applying that straight next to the orange. Going into my Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Olive You, and I'm going to be applying that next to that red shade. Now it is time to curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to go into mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is just the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Mascara. Time for lashes, because honestly, lashes just take your eye look from meh to like yay, or at least it does in my opinion. So I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes in the style Rabcity. These are just really pretty and just kind of dramatic yet natural lashes. They're perfect for everyday wear, but they also got a little oomph to them, which is why I really like them. And to apply them, I'm going to be using my metal eyelash applicator from Beauty Big Bang, and I'm going to be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. Alrighty, I am back, and if you are very familiar with me and my channel, you already know the drill. You know that I went off camera, did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder, so now I'm back, and we are going to be doing the lower lash line area. So the very first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying a little bit of eyeliner to my waterline. Today I'm just going to be using this Maybeline Gold eyeliner in the shade Gold. This is their Lasting Drama eyeliner. I absolutely love this. It doesn't smudge, it stays in place all day long. It is a really good creamy eyeliner that is really easy to use, so that is why I'm going to be using it today. Now taking this smudger brush, I'm going to be applying the shade Mischief into the inner part of my lower lash line area. Taking the shade Horizon, I'm going to be placing that next to the yellow shade. Taking the shade Ember, I'm applying it next to the orange shade. I'm going into the shade Olive You, and I'm applying it right next to that Ember shade. It's been a while since I have used this palette, so I thought I would bring it out today and use it. This is the Benefit Cheekleaders palette. This is their Bronze Squad palette, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer in this palette today to warm up my complexion with. I have the regular Hoola Bronzer just in a regular format, but I figured I would use the palette today because, like I said, it's been a while since I've used this, and I really need to get back into using it. Sometimes I'll fall out of the habit of using certain things in my collection. I think that's pretty common if you have a lot of makeup, so I like to kind of go back and just use things that I haven't used in a while. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. I'm going to be going into blush, and for blush today, I'm using my Pixi by Pixi blush. This is in the shade Peach Parfait. I feel like this is a good shade for fall. I don't really have a lot of blushes that are like really good for fall. I mostly have a lot of blushes for like the spring and summer, so I'm on the fence on whether or not I want to buy a bunch of new blushes, because in all honesty, that's just spending a lot of money that's a little bit unnecessary. Plus, too, we're about to go into the winter months really soon. But anyway, I'm getting so off track. So I'm going to be applying this blush to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm just going to be using my angled blush brush to apply them. Certainly not least, for the complexion, we have highlighter. Highlighter is one of my favorite things about makeup. I absolutely love it. It is just so magical, just so beautiful, and it can take you from being in such a crappy mood into such a happy mood, or at least it does for me. So for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Baked highlighter. This is in the shade Moonlight Pearls. Now, before anybody gets on to me about how busted my highlighter is, I'm very much aware of that, but you know what? I have loved and used this thing. This thing has traveled a lot with me to a lot of different places, so I'm going to keep on using it, and I'm just going to keep on rocking it. It doesn't smell weird. It doesn't smell gross. It's fine. I sanitize it all the time. And to apply it, I'm going to be using my highlight brush from Cheek. I'm also going to be highlighting my inner corner, since we didn't do any glitter or anything on the lid. I mean, I like the matte look. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. I just need a little bit of something on my eyes that is shimmery, so I'm going to be applying a little bit of inner corner highlight with this little lip brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips today, I'm going to be using my Manna Karder Beauty Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Sienna, and this is just a really pretty gloss. I feel like it's going to be perfect for the fall season because it's almost like a brownish toned nude. So I'm just going to be applying this to my lips. It's super pigmented, but it's very moisturizing. It's not sticky, it's not heavy, which is why I like it, and it has no glitter in it. It just gives your lips such a beautiful, glossy, wet look. Alright everyone, so that is the completed fall leaves makeup inspired tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, you can keep tabs on me, and you can keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you all in Thursday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.